So hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about the whole Indus River system, which is approximately of length 3100 kilometer, and out of which its length in India is approximately 1114 kilometer. So now let's move further. Now let's talk about the origin of river Indus, and from where the river Indus origin. Its origin is actually from a glacier which is known to be as the Bokarchu, which is present in Tibet, China. And in Tibet, China, Indus is known by the name that is Singi Khamban or Lion's Mouth. Now, Indus River enters India in Ladakh region, from where it goes in between the Ladakh and the Zaskar range before entering, or we can say that before draining into the Pakistan area. Now let's move further and talk about the tributaries of Indus River system. Now let's firstly talk about a main tributary of Indus River system, that is river Satluj, which originates from the same region, that is Tibet, China region, and from a glacier that is known to be as Rakastal, and its name in Tibet region is Langchu Khandap. Okay, it passes through the Shipkila Pass before entering India. Shipkila Pass, from where it enters into India, and it passes through two states, that is Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and then it also enters into Pakistan region. Now let's talk about another pass, that is Rohtang Pass. This is Rohtang Pass. From here, we have a origin of two rivers, which is important for the Indus River system. These are also the tributaries of Indus River system. First is the River Beas, and it passes through Himachal Pradesh and it drains into Punjab before entering Satluj. So it is clear to you guys that river Beas actually originates from the Rohtang Pass, and after passing Himachal Pradesh it drains into river Satluj. The another river which originates at the Rohtang Pass is river Ravi. River Ravi. It goes from Himachal Pradesh to Punjab and move further to Pakistan. Now let's move further. Now and now talk. Let's talk about the another river. Before the another river, we will talk about the another pass, that is Bara Lachla Pass. Baralachla Pass. From here, we have two rivers in Himachal Pradesh, that is Chandra and Bhaga. After joining these two rivers, that is Chandra Bhaga, it makes a mighty river, that is river Chenab. And this Chenab river drains into the J&K and after Jammu and Kashmir. And it after entering J&K, it passes through the J&K region to again drains into the Pakistan region. So I think this much is clear to you guys. Now let's move further and talk about the another tributary of Indus River system, that is Jhelum, which originates from J&K and drain into Pakistan. And this Jhelum river originates from somewhere like here, that is present a spring named as Verinag. Verinag spring. From Verinag, it passes through a lake which is also a famous lake, that is Vular Lake, and after passing the Vular Lake, it drains into Pakistan. Before draining into Pakistan, it actually makes a boundary. It goes like a boundary of the J&K state, and before entering Pakistan, and then it enters into Pakistan region, and after that it drains into Chenab River. I think this much is clear. It is the Jhelum River, Jhelum River, which originates from Verinag, that is a spring. After passing, it goes into the Vular Lake. After that, it passes through and makes boundary to the J&K, and then drains into the river Chenab. Now, for a revision, short revision, let's talk about all the tributaries. That is, firstly, we talk about the Satluj River, which originates from Rakastal. From the Shipkila Pass, it enters into India and enters Himachal Pradesh. From where Himachal Pradesh, it goes into Punjab. From Punjab, it goes into Pakistan. Now let's talk about another pass, that is Rohtang Pass. Two rivers are actually originating from the Rohtang Pass, that is a river Ravi and river Beas. River Beas originates from Himachal Pradesh and drains into Punjab to the Satluj River, and river Ravi originates from the Rohtang Pass, that is in Himachal Pradesh, goes into Punjab region and then drains into Pakistan. Another pass that is also important pass, that is Baralachla Pass. It originates from the river which originates from here is Chenab River, which is actually a combination of two rivers, that is Chandra and Bhaga. This river from Himachal Pradesh drains into Jammu region, that is J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. Then it drains into Pakistan region. And another, I have already told you in the starting that Jhelum River drains into Chenab River. Okay, I think this much is clear to all of you. So before moving further, let's talk about some small tributaries of Indus River system. Firstly, from Siachen Glacier, it originate from there originates a river that is as Nubra River, and this is the tributary of Shok River, which is also a tributary of Indus River system. Shok is a tributary of Indus River system. From somewhere from here, that is from Zaskar range, there is also a tributary, that is Zaskar tributary, which is actually a left hand side tributary. Left side tributary, and Shok River is a right hand side tributary. Now move further. There is also a tributary that is known to be as Dras River. There is also one tributary that is coming from the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, that is Gilgit. From there are also three more rivers which are coming from that side, that is Hunza River, Shigar region river, and Gasting River. They all are right hand side tributaries of river Indus. And the tributary we have studied before, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj, or all are left hand side tributaries of river Indus. So a fast recap, that is Shok River, Zaskar River, Dras River, Gilgit, Hunza, Shigar, Gasting. We already talked about Jhelum River, Chenab River. Jhelum drains into Chenab. When we talk about Ravi, drains into Pakistan. Beas drains into Satluj. After going straight Satluj, so here Chenab River is coming from that side, and here from here it's coming Ravi. So Ravi River actually drains into the Chenab River at a place called as Harike, where is also a Indira Gandhi Canal project is running. Okay, so after this Chenab rivers drains into Satluj River at a place called as Panjanand. I think this much is clear. Yeah. After this Satluj mighty river drains into Indus River, somewhere here in Multan, Pakistan. This is the last point where the five Panjanand is five rivers, that is river Satluj, river Ravi, river Vyas, river Chenab, river Jhelum. These five rivers meet here at a point that is known as Panjanand, and this Satluj river, mighty river, joins the Indus river somewhere like here, that is in Multan, Pakistan. After that, it drains into Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. This Indus river drains into Arabian Sea. I think I have covered all the things. If you have any doubt regarding anything, you can comment. You can comment about your doubt. I'll try to clear it. So thank you for tuning in.